Hi guys, welcome to our MoneyExp YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 best sites to sell art online. So make sure to watch the full video. Back in the day, artists were pretty limited in how, when, and where they could sell their art. There were no sites to sell artwork. If you wanted to get your art into someone's hands, you had to find a way to get to them in person, whether at a fine art gallery, a creative show, or an impromptu street sale. But thanks to the internet, it's never been easier for artists to share their work online with art enthusiasts across the globe, and to actually sell that art and support their businesses. Let's take a look at some of the best sites to sell artwork online so you can get money from that sale right into your pocket. 1. Amazon. These days, people buy just about everything on Amazon, and that includes art. Depending on the type of art you're selling, the world's largest online retailer has a variety of opportunities, including Amazon Handmade, which features homemade, crafted items. Plus, there's an entire section dedicated to fine art, featuring one-of-a-kind paintings, drawings, watercolors, and photographs from partner artists. 2. eBay. Many artists find success with eBay with no restrictions on the medium. A quick look at eBay's art category shows the wealth of what's available. In the business since 1995, eBay is a trusted name in online sales and provides a huge amount of support to its sellers. 3. Redbubble. Founded in Australia in 2006, Redbubble is another print-on-demand service that allows artists to upload the artwork to be printed on a huge variety of products, as well as reproduction prints. Redbubble allows artists to set their own profit margins, meaning you can organize your earnings as you like. From stationery and stickers to women's apparel, and with in-depth traffic analytics for your shop, Redbubble is a fantastic option for artists seeking a print-on-demand partner. 4. Zazzle. Zazzle is the best of both worlds, giving you the option to become a maker to sell products or a designer to sell art. Artists, graphic designers, and photographers simply upload their artwork, making it available to print on demand, either as a piece of wall art or on a variety of products. Setting up a shop is free, and you are able to set your own royalty percentage in order to earn what you please. Zazzle takes care of the rest. 5. Displate. It's a global marketplace, gathering artists from all over the world and selling their designs on one-of-a-kind, magnet-mounted metal prints. Placing emphasis on the product, they give you the opportunity to expose your art on the medium in the highest quality on the market. The membership is 100% free, and the sign-up is very easy. All you need to do is upload your best designs, and they do the printing, customer service, and marketing for you. You get a commission for every purchase, and you can earn up to 25% extra of the total sale value made through the special share and earn link. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.